Hi everyone, welcome back. I have a VSR 2-row. There's 9 pins. Here's the key. 4 pins on the left side and 5 pins on the right. Key works. It only turns a quarter of a turn. We'll be tensioning with a couple stacked pry bars clockwise. I'll start off by going right, left, right, left, right, left as I work down until I get some of the pins set, and I'll open it up so I can get the pick in and out, and then I'll just focus on right side or left side. We'll see how it goes. Right side, 1 little click. Left side, 1 little click. Right side 2 is binding. Click out of that. Left side 2 is binding. Click out of it. Right side 3 is binding. Little click. Left side 3 is binding. Click out of that. Right side 4 is loose. Left side 4 is binding. Got a little click. Right side 5 is loose. Getting back to the start. Right side 1 is binding. I'll let off tension a little. There we go. Almost overset it. Got a click. Right side 2 is loose. 3 is springy. 4 is springy. 5 on the right side is binding. Click out of that. Left side 1 is springy. Left side 2 is springy. Left side 3 is springy. Left side 4, if I can get on it here, is springy. Right side 5 feels set. Right side 4 is binding. Click out of that and some core rotation. Right side 3 is springy. Right side 2 is binding. Little click. Right side 1 is binding again, I think. Or is it set? Oh, it's a little bit springy. Left side 1, springy. Left side 2, springy. 3 is binding, little click. 4 is springy. Back to the right side. Feels like 5 can give us something. No, maybe not. No. Right side. Where are we? 5. 4 feels good. 3. Right side 3 feels, yep, was binding, gave a little click. Right side 2 feels good. Right side 1 is a little springy. Left side 1 gave a little click. Left side 2, little click there, and a little bit of core rotation. Left 3 is springy. Left 4 is springy. Right 5 and we're open. So right 5 was the holdout. Got a little click on it and it opened. Okay. Okay. All right, so I'm going to set that down there and adjust the camera. There we go. All right. So here we go. Let's lock that back up. And get the nut off the back. And there's a little washer on the back that limits the rotation. Take that off. So this is kind of a housing inside a housing. We'll slide this out. There you can see inside. There's no magic there. Set that off. Now there's a spot on top of this one that's crimped that I've uncrimped, and I just leave it uncrimped. I don't think it's all that critical for picking purposes. Let's go this way. So this outer sleeve is what's holding the springs and drivers in. So if you push on the front of the plug, it'll ease out just a wee bit. And on the right, so there's 5 pins on the right, 4 on the left, and you'll see that first right side chamber first. Where are my tweezers? Here we go. So I'm going to cover that up, hold the spring in. These springs are pretty small and they like to jump out. So first one on the right. Oh, I just dumped the pins. Key pin and driver. Now be careful when you're getting this. If you push it out too far, what happens is you wind up exposing the pin chamber on the other side. If you're not careful, things will go across the room. There we go. First one on the left. Dump those pins back to the right side. There we go. Excuse me. There. Back to the left. Dump those. Right side spring, driver and key pin. Spring, driver and key pin there. Next one on the right. Oh, almost jumped off there. Okay, so that's the last one on the left. There, and now back to the right. Take that sleeve off. There, that spring jumped out. There we go. Okay, now you can see here. So there's the spring and driver slots for the right side. There's for the left. And there is a clip on the back, which is not easy to get off, but I hope practice will pay off here. And we can get this. Almost. Come on, might need the key in. Something to hold on to. There we go. Almost. Screwdriver. It's coming. There we go. That wasn't too bad. Get the key out. There we go. You can see inside here. There's not a whole lot going on. There's some discoloration there. It kind of looks like a slot, but it's not. There's the holes, tail thinger. There's the front, here's the plug. Right side pin holes, left side pin holes. So that's all the magic there. Let's get in closer and take a better look at the pins. Oh, sorry. I have a new rig that I'm playing around with. It's a little bit awkward to reposition. Bear with me. Okay. Here we go. So, tweezers. All right, let's take a look at a driver. So, you can see there's a little indentation or a recess in that driver where the spring sits. I guess that just gives it a little bit more room for the spring. And then on the end, you can see the very end of the driver there is tapered. Will it focus? There. So most of them are like this. There's a couple that aren't. I think this one doesn't have that tapering. Yeah, this one is just straight sides on the end, but it's got that little indentation recess. Is there another one that's better? Here, this one's a little bit longer. Here we go. You can see that. Whoop. There. So the spring sits in that little recess. Okay, what else here? Key pin. See, the key pin is a little bit, it's got a narrower waist there. Flat, kind of domed end. I'm not sure if that's by design or what. Like on purpose or by accident. Anyway, I'm starting to ramble. There we go. I think we can see everything here. That's all I've got. It was a cool little lock to pick. I was pretty nervous about pulling that sleeve off the first time. I wasn't sure what I was going to find, but it worked out well. Yeah, that's all I've got for you. Thanks for watching. Any questions or comments, put them down below, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.